Welcome to this quick introduction to the sn-scriptsync 3.0 update. Let's just get started. So here you see that VS Code is empty now, and when I click our familiar icon you see that the helper tab is opened and that in VS Code the structure is being built up, and that is now being done in a different way. It used to be all long file name with the sysid in the file name. Now it will create a mapping file with mapping to the cleaned up record name to the sysid. So the file names are a bit more clean and structured. And another thing that's happening now is it will create the instance name. That was the case always. But now it will create a folder for your scope, and then in that scope folder it will create the different table names. So over here it will build up. And now what I can do as well, so this is just a simple script. Now if I would want to have visibility of the entire scope, all the script fields, when I go to the tab of sn-scriptsync and then here in the info, I can request the entire scope. I say load scope, and you see in the helper tab it pulls in all the artifacts that have code fields, and now it shows here. Now when I refresh the tree, over here what you will see is a tree view representation. So this is not the actual files, but the representation of everything that it has pulled in. So for example, when I go to a widget, here you will see that it has pulled in the widget with all its fields. But it also has a reference to the files that are referenced, so sort of the related lists. So for example, this one has a ng template record, and from here I can, this is all dummy data, so don't look at the content. Here it tries to pull it all in, and it will, so you can just click around. And some files, when it is an empty file, it may not have been loaded. And when it's not been loaded, it will immediately pull in that file from the instance. So, and for the rest, it works as we know when we go to that script. The thing is, this is a bit hard to navigate. So when you type here, when you are here and then type Command F, when you type here, you can say, for example, script. So it's all here. And what you can do as well in the utility links, open in instance. So I have this file, and when I say this is this is the normal way that it immediately updates. So most of the content should still work. What's there different to say? So a few utility links. It is a bit of work in progress, so if you do see problems, let me know, and I'll hope to make a bit of more polished video later. Thank you.